Bonjour. For those of y'all that have been absent, I wanted to go ahead and teach you how to tell time in French. That's what we've been working on. So the first thing I mentioned to my students is some people have a little bit of a hard time reading time on a clock like this. So I'll make sure that you know what time I'm talking about digitally as well. I know most of y'all are used to kind of looking at a smartboard or a computer or a phone to see what time it is. Okay, in French, the way you say it is, as in it is 1 o'clock, it is 2 o'clock, is going to sound like this. Il est. Now, if you're watching this video and you have been absent, you can't ask questions right now, I understand that, unless you email me. So I want to make sure you understand. One or two of you might be wondering about this one. This is another way to say it is. But for time, you use this one. And that's all I'm going to say right now. I don't want to get too much into the explanation, okay? All right, so it is 1 o'clock. We'll start with that example. This is what our clock looks like for 1 o'clock. In French, you're going to say il est une. I know you can say un for one. When you're talking about the time, the French use the word hour, and the word hour happens to be feminine, so we're going to say une. So, il est une, and this word is pronounced heure. Il est une heure. Try it at home, wherever you are. Say, il est une heure. You can say if that's better. I know that word is very hard to pronounce. Okay, so then we just kind of went through a few of these and practiced together. The number of the hour is what goes here in the blank. So if it's 2 o'clock, again, the French will say it is 2 hours, okay? So it's going to sound like this. Il est 2 heures. 2 heures. For 3 o'clock, il est 3 heures. For 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. Sorry, 4 heures. Try 5 o'clock. Il est 5 heures. Okay, in a nutshell, that's how you do it. I'm not saying it's easy. That's kind of how it works. Now, for most of the time when we're telling time, it's not exactly the hour on the hour, right? There's usually a few minutes. So let's just say it's 5:05, all right? If your clock says 5:05, the way the French are going to say that is you still say the hour first. So, il est 5 heures, and then the minutes, you just say 5. Okay? So, il est 5 heures 5. It is 4:05. Il est 4 heures 5. It is 3:05. Try it. Il est 3 heures 5. Okay, a little trickier. What if it is 7:20? Il est 7 heures 20. So now you can see how important it is to have mastered the numbers to be able to tell time. I'll let you try one more. 8:25. Il est 8 heures 25. We're going to be practicing that a lot. Well, a little bit. Au revoir.